In this video, we are going to learn how to overlap images in Canva. So for this reason, I am going to take a custom size where is 1000 width and 1500 pixel is height and create new design. After creating the new design, we need a object which we will place here. For that, I'm going to upload from here, upload buttons, and click the upload. I have already downloaded an images, which is this one. I am just gonna upload it here. It will take a while, and it will be uploaded. There you go, it's uploaded. So what I am gonna do, just drag and drop it here, and I'm going to make it bigger. Okay, it's here. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm going to give a background of this image. So for this region, I'm going to click on the elements and go to photos, and after in the photos I will choose a background for this image. Maybe this one will fit for this image, so I will just click it here and make it bigger. So I have make it bigger, but a problem arises, which is, as you can see, our subject isn't visible here because it's invisible. The subject is behind of this layer. So to solve this problem, all we have to do, just right click on there and go to layer and make it send backward. When we click on the send backward, and your subject is in front of the background, and that's how you can overlap an image in Canva. If you find this helpful, this video, please feel free to subscribe. Thank you for watching.